One important cause of accidents involving PTWs is other road users overlooking them in traffic. Car drivers often fail in recognizing an approaching motorcycle. The motorcycle and a car approach a T-junction. The line of sight is obstructed due to hedges and buildings. Neither the approaching motorcycle rider nor the car driver can see each other. V2X technology provides information and warning of a possible collision, even with no direct line of sight. IMA application warns the driver when it is not safe to enter an intersection due to high collision probability. A warning pops up in the car display, even before the motorcycle can be seen. The car driver has time to react before the situation gets out of hand.